Okay, today I will show you how to adjust IKEA drawer. This is old style of drawer from Akorum, but very similar to new section. First of all, we will remove this cover plate. Here we see a couple of holes. This one for remove drawer front. This one to move drawer front this direction, horizontal, and this one to adjust vertical direction, like up, down. I use Phillips screwdriver number 2. Then if you want to adjust drawer front up, down, put here, and you move clockwise or opposite, it will be goes up or down. This one again to move this or this direction, we have from both sides same. And this one, if you need to remove drawer front, you just put this inside and then turn it, and as you see it goes, and then you can pull it up, it goes back. That's it. So easy.